Do you remember when the Toyota Camry was the most desirable vehicle in the automotive industry? Well, once again, it's coming back with a bang. How many of you are excited? Well, it was consistently the car that sold the most units in the United States. Are you buying a Toyota Camry? Is it worthwhile to purchase the newest Toyota Camry? We will talk about this and more only here on Tech Addicts, so let's go places. In this day and age of crossovers and electric vehicles, sedans like the Camry are becoming increasingly archaic. But this does not mean that the Camry cannot continue to be important in a world like this one. Including a hybrid powertrain in the Camry could be a simple solution to the problem of keeping it competitive. Although Toyota has been offering a hybrid version of the Camry for a number of years now, the company was also one of the first automakers to pioneer hybrid technology. Therefore, it stands to reason that individuals who might not have been interested in purchasing a Prius might still be open to the idea of purchasing a Camry Hybrid. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me introduce you to this week's test vehicle, the 2023 Toyota Camry Hybrid. Although this is largely unchanged from the previous model year, the outside design is still appealing, despite the fact that it has not been updated since the previous model. The front end features a highly styled design that stands out. The entire front end seems more subdued when the grille is made smaller and less prominent. The Camry benefits from adopting this style because it is less aggressive, despite the fact that the black grille with the sports mesh insert does give the Camry a bit more flair. The back of the vehicle features a single exhaust pipe with two chrome tips, which gives it a stylish appearance. In addition, the Camry has a two-tone black metallic roof and rear spoiler, both of which have some flair for the vehicle. This is an optional upgrade that will set you back an additional $500, but will give the hybrid car a far more appealing appearance. When it comes to its performance, the Camry Hybrid doesn't let you down, but it also doesn't get your blood pumping. This is the case with the vast majority of hybrids. The four-cylinder engine of 2.5 liters is equipped with an electric motor assist. A total of 208 horsepower and 149 pound-feet of torque are produced as a result of this. Those figures are relatively ordinary, yet they have an incredible efficiency in terms of fuel use. When you combine that with a continuously variable transmission, often known as a CVT, you have a vehicle that is slow and uninspiring. It does have outstanding fuel efficiency, with a city rating of 44 miles per gallon and a highway rating of 47 miles per gallon, and it is vital to keep that in mind when the CVT appears to be droning on and the Camry is slow to get going off the line. It is impressive that the interior of the Camry feels larger than the interiors of other hybrids, and even feels larger than the interiors of certain small crossovers. The interior measurements tell the story, as the Camry Hybrid has a legroom distance of 38 inches and a headroom distance of 37.6 inches in the back seats of its 5-passenger configuration. The trunk has a capacity of 15.1 cubic feet, which is sufficient. The positioning of the battery in some hybrid vehicles results in a reduction of the amount of space available for cargo or passenger seating. However, this is not the case with the Camry. The EPA has assigned a rating of 99.9 cubic feet to the passenger volume. Standard equipment includes a touchscreen of 7 inches, which, despite its apparent lack of size, would not make the dashboard appear unduly crowded. My test vehicle came equipped with the navigation package, which not only includes the JBL sophisticated sound system with a navigation system, but also increases the size of the touchscreen to 9 inches. The actual system is adequate, but it does not offer anything particularly remarkable and does not appear to justify the increased cost of $1,760. When compared to that of its rivals, the technology included within the Camry is starting to show its age. The word that does it the most justice is sufficient. The Nightshade package, which adds beauty and pleasantries to trimmings, is brand new for this year and will be available to purchase. The starting price for my prototype was $33,520. My tester had a total MSRP of $40,312 after adding on all the supplemental features and packages available. There is not a lot of excitement about hybrids. In addition, automobile manufacturers and customers agree that sedans are no longer a preferred vehicle body style. In spite of this, it makes perfect and utter sense for Toyota to keep producing the Camry in a hybrid configuration. Because of this, the 2023 Toyota Camry Hybrid is a very practical vehicle. Let's compare the Toyota Camry 2023 with its biggest competition from the market, that would be the 2023 Honda Accord. Starting with dimensions and decor, When comparing the Civic and the Corolla, the midsize Accord and Camry are the better buys because of their larger dimensions, but which one is roomier? In every dimension, the Honda is just barely more substantial. The Accord's a few inches longer and nearly an inch wider than the Camry, despite the fact that their wheelbases are practically equal. Those added centimeters may cause some difficulty fitting through doorways. However, the Accord's wider body provides useful extra space for passengers and baggage. Backseat passengers in the Accord enjoy 2.8 inches greater legroom compared to the Toyota, and the Accord's trunk is 11% larger. When comparing the two vehicles' front seats, the Accords are more plush, and its armrests provide better support. In addition, the climate controls and vent adjusters have a higher quality feel, similar to those found in the newest Civic, CR-V, and HR-V models. A rear passenger may feel more comfortable in the Accord because of its perceived extra inch of legroom, while a passenger of average height may be more comfortable in the Camry due to its marginally more spacious headroom. Fuel efficiency and productive power use. Similarly to the Accord, the Camry retains its most recent model year's base engine. Toyota's midsize sedan is powered by a 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine with natural aspiration, while the 1.5-liter Turbo 4 in the Honda Accord is standard equipment. The Honda has less horsepower than the Toyota but greater torque, and we expect it to be slightly more fuel efficient around town. Only the Camry offers all-wheel drive, while the Accord's limited to front-wheel drive. Those who place a premium on speed may find the Camry to be the superior option. Since the Accord was updated for 2023, Honda has only offered the more modest Turbo 1.5T as its gas engine option. Toyota still offers a few Camry models powered by the 3.5-liter V6 that produces 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. These include the surprisingly sporty TRD trim. As an added bonus, the non-hybrid Toyotas have traditional torque converter automatic gearboxes, while all Accord powertrains are combined with a CVT that is as good as CVTs get. Because it is expected that the redesigned 2023 Accord Hybrid would make up around 50% of sales, Honda focused more on it. Honda's dual-motor hybrid system, good for 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet, has been installed in the new model. 208 horsepower comes from a single motor in the Toyota Camry Hybrid. While we don't have any official Accord performance figures just yet, the last generation was noticeably quicker than the Camry it replaced. Hybrid consumers, meanwhile, are more concerned with gas mileage. Although the EPA hasn't yet tested the 2023 Accord Hybrid, we anticipate scores comparable to the 2022 models 44 to 48, 41 to 47 miles per gallon city highway range. The Camry Hybrid has a staggering EPA fuel economy rating of 44 to 51 and 47 to 53 miles per gallon. Up next, technology. Comparing base models, these two are quite evenly matched in terms of technology, but upgrading will reveal a significant gap. The Toyota Camry LE, SE, and TRD, as well as the Honda Accord LX and EX, all include 7-inch touchscreen infotainment systems. Both have standard integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Those who choose the V6 engine in the Camry XLE or XSE receive a larger 9-inch touchscreen and a 9-speaker JBL premium audio system. This sounds great until you compare it to the latest Accord and realize that it's obsolete. A 12.3-inch system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available across all trims, save the LX and EX. The highest trim level of the Accord, the Touring, also comes standard with a Google Android Auto and voice search system, as well as a 12-speaker Bose premium sound system. Heads-up displays are only available on the Camry Touring, whereas the XLE and XSE come with a digital instrument cluster as standard equipment. The Accord audio system's very clear and quick to react, according to our testing. So, that's all for today's video. Moving forward, we'll be right back with more such videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.